All right, we got this salmon here. So, you know, we're gonna throw these on the smoker. Use the same type of season that Darryl's Caribbean rub. But you know, y'all got them partners and girlfriends and everything. I don't eat swine red meat, you know. I got something for y'all. Bougie salmon tacos we gonna make out of this. A little olive oil. It's gonna be delicious. Go ahead, salt it. I like this Bougie grinder, salt grinder. Take this rub. That look kind of pretty already, man. Let that sit for a minute and off to the smoker. We got this salmon. Get ready to get smoked for these Bougie tacos. Y'all see I even got my Bougie smoker cooker attachment for the salmon so it doesn't stick and get messed up and it stays looking nice and neat and bougie. There it goes. So yes, I'm gonna get at about a half an hour. We going at about 275, so we just enjoying ourselves. Got that salmon done. It is looking delicious. I like that. Smoked salmon, y'all, with hickory and applewood. I got some flour tortillas, guacamole, cabbage, onion, little lime, cilantro, and some salsa verde. Nicely diced. Cabbage chopped. Pretty smooth. Yeah. So I take it out like a pro, baby. Avocado slices, y'all. Nice and toasty. Oh yes, nice and toasty. Way that look. Like the way that look, yeah. Man, it smells good. With cheese on there. Onion. Cabbage. Even when you just throwing it on here, it look official. I just throwing it on there. You know, I ain't doing it like a chef or nothing. I'm gonna have to get the thumbnail. All right, let's see what we got. We'll go in. Oh yeah. It was good, y'all. Good way to stay healthy too. Now with that smoke flavor on there, this is making this an incredible, healthy taco. Bougie tacos, y'all. I'll catch y'all back on the next one. All right, later. Thank you for visiting Darryl King Barbecue. We appreciate your time. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have an awesome day. See you again soon.